bata.
So I will just continue the report. So next is number 6. So we have here hidden curriculum. So hidden curriculum, this refers to the unintended curriculum which not deliberately planned but may modify behavior or influence learning outcome. So itong hidden curriculum is hindi ito kumbaga hindi siya sinasadya tapos hindi rin sinasadyang binalak, ngunit maaaring magbago or ng pag-ugali o maka-influensya sa pagkatuto sa Tagalog ko lang. So we have here some examples of hidden curriculum. So I will add some so the hidden curriculum refers to unofficial, unwritten, and often unintended lessons students learn in school. So indeed, then these lessons may not be explicitly taught but are conveyed through. So we have some examples of this hidden curriculum. So the first one is social interaction. Then social interaction, school culture, diba? So implicit message, diba? So then gender rules, social hierarchy, then time management. So ano nga ba yung gender rule? Then students may learn traditional gender rules through playground activities, classroom decorations, or teacher expectations. So by this example is malaman nila kung ano ba talaga sila, diba? Sa pamagitan din ng kung anong mga nakadesign, diba? Social hierarchy, students may observe and imitate social cues, bullying or favoritism. Dito na rin pala siya papasok yung side ng curriculum. Then, time management. So, matututunan din ng mga estudyante yung tamang pag-manage ng oras. So, paano ba may manage ng oras, di ba? So, paano ba natin sa kanila may turo? Then, yun nga, paano ba natin magawa yung time management? Anong kalagahan nun, di ba? So, ang kalagahan din talaga ng management talaga is yung kalagahan din, di ba? Then, next na. Then, the next one is concomitant curriculum. So, who wants to read? Friends.
Concomitant curriculum. What is taught or emphasized at home, or those experiences that are part of family experiences or related experience sanctioned by the family. This type of curriculum may be received at a church in the context of religious expression, lessons on values, ethics or morals, mold behaviors, or social experiments based on the family's preferences.
So, concomitant curriculum now. So, what is taught or emphasized at home? So, madalas lang itong nangyari sa ating pamamahay or those experiences that are part of a family experiences or related experience sanctioned by the family. So, this type of curriculum may be received at church. So, na-adapt din natin siya sa church din in the context of religious expression, lessons on values, ethics, or morals, molded behaviors or social experience based on their family. So, magbibigay na lang ako ng some examples. Then, isa din dyan is clubs and organizations. So, yun nga, debate teams, science clubs, or cultural organization. So, then, sports and physical education, di ba? Team building, discipline, and physical fitness. So, by that is dun din. Then, community service, di ba? Dun din siya papasok. Then, school festival and events. Then, mentorship program. So, lang.